Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls, maybe you have a specific person that you want to block, and for that you want to go to your phone icon here, and now you want to go to the three little dots, go to settings, and here we have a few different options we can make. We can first click on caller ID and spam protection. We can turn that on. Caller ID and spam protection, your use of the service is subject to HIPAA's terms of service and privacy policy. Agree. If we click on it, we can see what it does. So use HIPAA or whatever this is called to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who aren't in your contacts. And then you can also turn on the block spam and scam calls. Block all spam and scam calls or only block high-risk scam callers. So that's up to you what you choose here. And then we also have block numbers on the top. And here we can block calls from unknown numbers in general, but keep in mind maybe you haven't saved a number maybe from your doctor or whatever, and then these people also won't be able to reach out to you. Here you can say again block spam calls, and then you can also add a specific number that you would want to block, and here we can go to our recents or go to contacts to choose a person that we would want to block. If you've done that, you can go back and enjoy the silence, and then that's how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.